He was a scientist who lived in 15th century at Samarkand. He continued his scientific studies in Timur and Ottoman Empire. He and his family looked after birds when he was a child. Because of this, his family and his name were kuşçu. When he was a child, he keen on mathematics because of his lessons and his teachers. His studies were mostly about astronomy. When he lived in Kirman, he started to write his articles. He was taught by Kazzade Rumi, Gıyasettin Cemşit, and Muhyiddin Kashi. These teachers were important people for Ali Kuşçu. He was raised to be an assistant to Ulu Bey with his successful studies. Then he was raised to State Observatory Directorate after writing the Şer'i Tecrid article. He could do better studies than the others in this observatory. He helped Uzun Hasan to do peace talks. Then, with Fatih Sultan Mehmet's invitation, he came to Istanbul after the conquest of Istanbul. Then he became a teacher in Hagia Sophia Madrasa. With his students, he contributed to mathematics and astronomy for Istanbul. Then he died in Istanbul in 1974. Risale-i Fil-Hey is one of the most important works in the field of astronomy. He shared detailed information about how the planets were. Then this work was translated into Arabic. He also includes some data on how each planet moves. At the beginning of second unit, there are some implications about the shape of the Earth. He also shared information about climates divided into 7 different categories. His work, which was presented to Fatih Sultan Mehmet, also stays by distances of the world to other planets. It is also impressive that all the studies and formulas related to them are available. In the following years, it is understood that the information revealed by Ali Kuşçu in his works is correct with the studies carried out depending on the technological developments. Studies specific to astronomy prepared for both Fatih Sultan Mehmet and Ulu Bey are still valid today. Ali Kuşçu's main works in the field of astronomy are Risale-i Fil-Hey and Şerh-i Tici Ulu Bey. In addition, his work called Risale Fil-i Muhammediye, which he wrote on algebraic calculations and mathematics, has survived to the present day. Et-Teskire fi Alatir Ruhaniye and El-Unkuduz Zevahir fi Nazmi Cevahir are in the fields of sarf science. Ali Kuşçu, who is known for finding various formulas such as ground movements, planets, and landforms in algebraic calculations, sheds light on the present in his scientific studies.